Viktor Elpidiforovich Borisov-Musatov was born April 14, 1870, died November 8, 1905. He was a Russian painter, prominent for his unique Post Impressionistic style that mixed symbolism, pure decorative style and realism. Together with Mikhail Vrubel, he is often referred as the creator of Russian Symbolism style. He was enrolled in the Moscow School of Painting, Sculpture and Architecture in 1890, transferring the next year to the Imperial Academy of Arts in Saint Petersburg. In 1904, Borisov-Musatov had a very successful solo exhibition in a number of cities in Germany. The last finished painting of Borisov-Musatov was Requiem, devoted to the memory of Nadezhda Staniukovich, a close friend of the artist. The painting may indicate Borisov-Musatov's evolution towards the neoclassical style.